Hello. In previous videos, I have discussed about the most important concepts which are formula fields and roll-up summary fields on Salesforce. So today we are going to see another important concept from Salesforce administrator, which is validation rules. Okay, how to create a validation rule? Validation rule means what? For example, if you are creating any account record and some validation rule is applied for some field in an account record, okay, that particular field is a required field, you have to provide some value in that field, and without providing that value, if you simply clicked on the save button, then it's going to throw an error, like you didn't provide that particular value in that field, so that is required, you have to provide to proceed further. Okay, so this is called as a validation rule. Okay, so whatever validation rule we are adding, if it turns out to be true, then the validation error will be thrown. If it becomes false, then that error will not be true. Okay, the output of the validation rule will be two things. Okay, two boolean values, either true or false. Okay, means what, we will add some particular formula, so it will validate that formula and check whether the value of that formula is true or false. Okay, if it's true, the error will be thrown. If it's false, the error will not be thrown. Okay, for example, another example we can take on the account object. If you think that particular field should not be blank, okay, okay, uh, so if it is blank, it's true, right? So the error will be thrown. If it's not blank, then it's false, right? Error will not be thrown. Okay, so that is the concept of the validation rule. Okay, now let's create a validation rule on an account object and see how it will work in real time. Okay, so I'm just on my setup page. Okay, simply go to object manager, search with account, click on account, and scroll down. You can see, so simply scroll down, you can see here, right, validation rules. Okay, so we have to click on this one, and you can see here, right, we have only one validation rule as of now. So let's go ahead and create another validation rule. Okay, click on new, simply click on new, and rule name. What is the rule name? Okay, so my rule name is whatever the account number I have on my account record, the characters should not be less than 10. Okay, number of characters on account are 10. Okay, this is my validation rule name. Okay, so here you can see here, right, if the checkbox is checked, then only this validation rule is active, otherwise it will become inactive. So we are checking this one, it's active. If you want, we can provide any clear description also. Okay, as of now I'm not providing any description. Okay, so see, it's like a formula only. Now we can insert our error condition over here. Okay, as of now I'm just for example, insert field. Okay, now what I want, account number, right? Account number, insert. Okay, this is my account number. And now what, length, right? Length of this account number. Okay, yeah guys, so this is the formula field. Okay, length of account number is not equal to 10. Okay, this is the formula field. Length of account number is not equal to 10. This is the not equal to sign. This operator I have inserted from here. Okay, you can see, right, not equal to. Means what? If the length of account number, whatever I'm providing, if it's not equal to 10, means this condition is true, right? True means what? It will throw an error. Okay, if it is 10, then it is not true, right? So then it will not throw any error. You got it, right? Either true or false. So here not equal to 10. Okay, in this manner you have to provide the formula. Okay, so that if that formula becomes true, then error will be thrown. Okay, you have to think in that way. Now check syntax. Okay, so see, no errors found. Okay, now here I want to provide some error message also, so that clearly I can understand what is the error, right? So I'm providing over here like account number should be 10 characters long. See, this is my error message. Okay, now the error message can either appear on the top of the page or below. Okay, so we can select either on the top of the page or field. Okay, so I'm just selecting field. Okay, field what account number, right? Near account number it should display. Okay, error location, and simply click on save. Okay. Yes, guys. So you can see here, right? If you want, you can edit also. See, this is one of the validation rule which I have created. Now go back to the account, go back to the validation rules, and you can see here, right? Number of characters on account are 10. Okay, so this is the validation rule which I have created. Now let's go ahead and check whether this is working or not. Okay. Now simply search with account. Okay. Yeah. So accounts is open. So just let's edit this one only. Edit. This is the previous account which I have created already. Testing account. Okay. So you can see here, right? Account number. Okay. So I'm just giving some values. Okay. Which are not 10. Right. So I just gave and click on save. So you can see here, right? It's showing me some error. And see, clearly the error message is also displayed over here. What it is saying, account number should be 10 characters long. So this is the error message which I have added in my validation rule. Okay. So this is called as the validation rule, guys. In this manner, we can add the validation rules for objects, for any field. Okay. For anything we can add on Salesforce. Okay. So now see, it's not 10. So let's add 10 characters and see. Okay. 10 numbers. Okay, so now it's 10 actually. Okay, let's click on save. You can see here, right? It's successfully got saved because so yeah, you can see, right? Again, 9 means we are getting the error. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is all about the validation rule concepts on Salesforce. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. Thank you.